Good morning, respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, and fellow leaders across the India. It's an honor to stand before this stage today at the 19th Digital Transformation Conclave and Awards. It's an amazing gathering that brings in visionaries, policymakers, and also the technologists from across the states and central ministries. And I just love the conversations so far, and thank you for all the wonderful insights, sir. And as an Indian, I really feel proud of what we're doing. As soon as you land into the city, like you said, it's an amazing experience. I think this city is way, way better than any other cities that we have across the country. Everything is so well planned, clean, organized. I just love the way the pathways are there for people to walk, not being encroached by roads or by squatters. The amount of cleanliness that you see here. And I think that speaks volumes about the culture, about, I would say the discipline people have. And I think now it's time to inculcate the same things on the digital side of the world. And I think there also you are at the forefront, and the amount of work that Arista is doing is amazing. And I think now it's time to take it to the next level. So I am Mrinal, like she said, I am the country manager for Arista Networks. आज इस सम्मानित संगोष्ठी की मुख्य अतिथियों और राष्ट्रीय स्तर के नेताओं के साथ उपस्थित होना मेरे लिए एक बहुत गर्व की बात है। आज भारत एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़ा है जहां डिजिटल परिवर्तन केवल तकनीकी प्रयोग नहीं है, मतलब आज शासन, विकास और नागरिकों के जीवन में सुधार का साधन बन चुका है। Now, you talk about different platforms, be it digital payments, school education systems, agriculture services, smart governance tools. We are just talking about how, there's a gap from a skill standpoint. And all of these digital services have to be strong, have to be safe, and have to be, robust from a digital infrastructure standpoint. We are moving towards a $1 trillion economy today. And the only way to go about it is that, we all spoke about data. The most important thing is that the data should be secure. The network on which the data is running, that should be very stable. And we should be ready for AI. Because especially when you talk about the three tenets that this session today is all about, is innovation, it's about impact, and it's about decisions. So innovation comes from all the technology that people are talking about and all the things that we deployed. What is important is intelligence part, and that we are getting from AI. And how do you effectively use the AI, the telemetry and other things that's helping us arrive at the right decisions. And eventually what we have to do is it should all boil down to in the impact. How do we eventually deliver the citizen services, keeping these two things in mind? And I think that's where we also play a critical role. Arista globally is known for cloud scale networks. I will not talk about a lot about what our company does, but a few things that we bring on the table as an organization is that Arista is like a welcome secret of the networking industry, but you'll be surprised to know that biggest of the hyperscalers across the globe are powered by Arista. So we bring that expertise and intelligence on the table, and we are happy to share that with the central and state organizations. We're already there with a lot of critical establishments across globally as well as in India, but happy to share that. We are powering almost about 50,000 GPUs globally. So we have that experience in terms of how do you really create a robust infrastructure and deliver the right outputs out of it. Today, be it Tesla, be it Meta, be it Microsoft, they all partner with us to deliver those kind of services. So we can help the state governments and the central governments in creating those kind of infrastructures. We have a very strong practice when it comes to network solutions, and we partner with a lot of academia to help bridge the gap of industry readiness and what's being taught at the university. So we can help create curriculums in such a way that when the students are coming out of the universities or colleges, they are industry ready. So that, they don't have to, personally, if you ask me, I did my BTech long back, but when I came to the industry, I didn't know what to do in my job. I had to be retrained all together again to really be fit to work for an IT organization. So that's a gap that we can help fill, because we work very closely with a lot of global universities like the state of Arizona and so on and so forth. So we can bring those global best practices here so that we fill that gap from a supply standpoint. Third, like sir said, the most important tenet is security. So, as an organization, we believe that security should not be an afterthought or a bolt-on solution on top of what we are building, but should be an integrated part of the whole ecosystem. And that's the thought process that we drive with. And security should be embedded in every aspect of the architecture and tenets that we are building up. And not just from a product standpoint, even from a, like you said, from a process standpoint or from a, Aatmanirbhar Bharat perspective. So I'm really proud to say that, we are making in India. We've established our factories in Manesar and Chennai. And last year we launched about 8 SKUs from India. Couple of products are made in India for the world. Like for example, India's first Wi-Fi 7, which is a new technology, which is an upcoming technology that we are building here in India and serving to the globe from here. So a lot of things as an Indian we are trying to do. And while it's an American company, but we have a large development centers in India at Bangalore, Pune, and Chennai. And we continue to ramp up our business and services here. And आज के conclave के theme के ऊपर I would like to say that the whole objective is that how do we make the citizen services better, and I'm happy to share our learnings and thoughts in whichever way we can. With that, I'd like to thank the organizers and for giving us this opportunity to be here, and look forward to having fruitful discussions with all of you. Thank you.